Sunday, August 24th, and we still have one Muskeg tractor in the shop. That looks like the orange airboat, all taken apart. I think that's put a new motor in there. Dad is just guiding Aiden here with some moving in and out, and we'll check in with these guys as soon as it's safe. Turned around to fill the dog's dish, and they already pulled out of the shop. And I don't know what they did with the other swamp buggy. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we got one airboat here. The other Muskeg tractors over there. They're parking this one back over here. And there's lots and lots and lots and lots of work to do here. And Dad says he wants to get on camera and explain a few things here today. Okay, so Aiden and I just walked the cage of the orange airboat into the shop. Okay, get on camera and tell us what's going on here, because you haven't spoken on camera for a couple of weeks now.
Okay, yeah. This is the cage for the prop.
Yeah.
And it's cracked all over, and if you come over here, I'll show you.
Okay.
It's been patched so much. Like right here, for instance, if you come to this side.
Okay.
You see, we got to sleeve it or put a rod in it.
Yeah.
All this Mickey Mouse shit here, and they had crashed all this in, so Aiden and I put this in new and rewired it.
Yeah. Okay, so Dad was out of town for over a week, and I just got back into town too, so this is almost 2 weeks before we've had a video. Lots has happened here in the meantime, and Dad's customers are coming in and out and whatnot quite a bit around here, so things are changing. So how much longer on the orange airboat do you think?
Well, I'm gonna walk over there next.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a pointer.
Now, for those of you who are just joining us, our channel, this is the world famous pointing stick, also known as the Tony Marcus stick. And Dad's gonna point some things out here on the orange airboat.
This was Tony Marcus had about 1,500 head of cattle, the Marcus family.
Yeah.
And this was the prodder, right?
Yeah.
And so his son gave it to me.
Yeah.
Because Tony's gone now. So I always have old Tony with me.
There you go. Okay, so.
Okay, we took the prop off, the drive housing, and the old motor. And this is a factory new blueprinted Chevy 350 motor, 375 horsepower, 4-barrel carb. They wanted a Holly Sniper on there. So I took the Holly Sniper off and packaged it neatly for him and put our standard carb.
Yeah, Idlebrock, yeah.
Carb and the intake. Now this thing is still going to develop the same horsepower and very easy to adjust.
Anybody wants to see Dad's headaches with Holly Sniper electronic fuel injection, just look it up on our channel here. Yeah. It is a nightmare, especially the Holly ones.
Okay, now as we're progressing here, I just let my two assistants start ripping shit apart. Eh?
Yeah.
So when you have to come over here, because when we're putting it together, you got the right bolts and washers and whatnot, but you forgot the spacers.
Oh, okay.
And he was telling me that all you do is put the bolts in and it slides in on his own.
Oh, okay.
So I asked him, what do you think those 6 spacers are for? Oh, yeah, okay. So that's how it goes.
Okay.
And when this motor came with air conditioning and power steering. So we took all that shit off, and all we have to do is we change the belt, eh?
Okay.
So everything's good.
Okay. Well, that's brand new, guys. The other one conked out on these guys, so they've been waiting on this. I'm glad they finally got it in. Got a bunch of fixing on this machine yet, and then the other black one over here, and then I think there's still 2 more that are need some patching and whatnot to get these guys through the rest of the summer and fall. But yeah, Dad was gone for over a week, and I just came into town out of Thompson yesterday or day before yesterday. So he's been busy, I've been busy. So hopefully you guys will be seeing these videos here soon enough. Dogs are awfully nervous. But tell us maybe, hold on, tell us about what's going on with the black one. I'll just stop the video. Okay, so we're at the...
We should have had that Muskeg tractor finished.
Yeah.
But just one thing after another come here. So this one was all redone, new heads,
Yeah.
and all ready to go. And this boy went over a jump 8 feet high because they have a bunch of them out in the Saskatchewan.
Yeah.
And he turned sideways, and the next guy coming couldn't see him
Mm.
and crashed into this, smashed the
Cage.
cage, and wrecked the prop. And I just put a prop on there last year that's $5,600 for that prop. So now I got to rebuild the cage, new prop, start all over again.
Okay. Okay.
A lot of guys get upset about this, but if you don't use them, you won't wreck them. But if you use them every day,
Yeah.
the shit happens.
Okay, these guys are following me around for 10-15 minutes while I was talking to Dad here. End of day treats. Cat just woke up.